as them they look you. All like on me like a two-pack yo. I keep them Balenciaga, they shady milli, I too bad yo. I know they for your chit chat yo. Carry your matter they go TikTok yo. My gentle they
Say me, I love the way you bend body.
And I kind of want to give you guys a voiceover just so I can explain exactly what I do. So first I like to start out by parting the hair from one side of the head to the other side of the head. And then once I do that, I like to go within that section and kind of map out how many braids are going to be in that section, just so I can make sure everything is parted neatly and the subsections that I'm going to be doing are going to be around the same size. So next I like to take that subsection and divide it up into 3 pieces, and these are going to be the 3 pieces that I'm going to be braiding with. I like to start out with my right hand crossing over and grasping the piece furthest to my left, and I do this with every single braid. Then I'm going to cross the hair over into my left, back over into my right. Then I'm going to cross it back over into my left again. This is where I'm going to add a piece of hair. And in order for the roots to not be too bulky, make sure you don't add too much hair, but just enough. So once I cross the hair back over in my right and then again back over to my left, I'm going to add additional hair. And I'm going to repeat this process until I get the thickness of the braid that I desire. And you can also see that I have some product on my hand. I like to keep product on my hand or very close by just to keep everything neat. So I'll add product throughout the braid whenever I feel is needed.
pieces in place and provide support. Use your index and thumb as your pincher fingers. Start your braid by going underneath the middle piece with your thumb and grab the left side. Now take that new middle piece, put it to the left side, and place your index finger directly on top to fasten your work and make your grip tighter. Now go underneath and use your thumb to grab the right side, and then repeat the process one more rotation. Time to add in the braiding hair. Loop the hair around your pincher fingers and insert it directly into your other pincher fingers that are holding your braid. Place the real hair on top of the braiding hair and use your index finger to fasten it in place. Continue braiding and only add in pieces on the right side. Add in 5 to 8 pieces, keeping in mind the more hair you add, the bigger your braid will be. Continue all the way down the length of the braid until you have no more braiding hair left. And now you're left with the perfect knotless braid.
A lot of people can give up. It's easy to give up. It's the eeasiest thing in the world to do. All right, man, I'm done. I ain't going. I ain't gonna keep going. I don't feel like going to work. It's very easy. But what's hard is going, yo, yesterday I got nothing from working as hard as I could. Nothing happened from that. I'm gonna do the same thing again today, but I'm gonna try to go harder. That's the hardest thing in the world. To get up every day and give 100% and be in the same position that you were each day, but mentally know that you're trying and trying and trying. That's a real grind. A lot of people can